why we use it in React. So let's get started. Alright, so first understand what is JAX actually is. JAX stands for JavaScript XML. It allows us to write HTML like a code inside a JavaScript. For example, if we can want to display a heading on the screen, we can write something like this: Hello React in H1 tag. Now this look exactly like HTML, but actually this code is being written inside a JavaScript using JAX and React using JAX to make UI code easier to read and write. Open app.js. Now let's move to our app.js file and see JS practically. Basic JS example: function app written open close bracket in h1 tag hello JS, close h1 tag, close both bracket curly bracket, and then file should be exporting default app. Examples. Let me explain this slowly. This function. Here we have a function component called app. Here we have function component called app. Inside this component we are returning